how things really went down and how I ended up here.
I asked the king if I could have some time off to rebuild Jerusalem's wall. Now, I'm not going to say that the builders did the worst job ever, but over the years, the walls definitely needed some love. Anyways, he said yes, and even goes out of his way to send me off with other resources and even an escort. So, I'm not gonna lie, I have a bit of issues. Trust issues to be exact. So, when the outsiders tried to help, I rejected their help, and I may have created a few enemies. So, then we had to have armed guards watch while we worked. Eventually, I ran into Ezra, and we made a pact to straighten these people out. We hosted a 7-day movement where we learned about the Word, celebrated the Feast of Tabernacles, vowed to follow the Torah, confessed our sins, celebrated more, the whole nine. Listen, we went all out, but boy, that didn't last long. You see, these Israelites are unteachable morons. They worked on the Sabbath, held markets in the wall, and even neglected the temple. It's like they forgot everything. At that moment, rage was introduced into my life, and we became one. I pulled hair, punched people, threw babies. Okay, well, maybe not the last part, but still, I went ballistic. But at the end, I told God to see me. See that I tried to deal with his knuckleheaded, moronic, rebellious, 2 plus 2 not knowing what it is, his...
All right, I think I have enough information. Thank you so much, and thank you all so much too. I really appreciate you allowing me to come here.
All right. I hope you have everything that you need.
Yes, sir, I definitely do. Thank you.
Oh, hey, yo, kid.
Yes?
Stop being so hard on yourself, all right? You're only in your 20s. You still have a lot of time ahead of you. You'll figure it out.
Thank
you. Nice kid. All right, so, where were we?
The part where, you set me free?
Yeah.
I know. Shocking, isn't it?